The Cleveland Cavaliers continue to win, and it coincides with LeBron James' push for another MVP award. James had 29 points and 14 assists in Cleveland's 120-112 victory over the Toronto Raptors on Wednesday night. It was Cleveland's 20th victory in its past 24 games as the Cavaliers set their sights on the second seed in the Eastern Conference. James is playing his best basketball of the season. Kyrie Irving is playing well. And here's something opponents will see on the Cavaliers scouting report. Kevin Love has rediscovered his three-point shot. The Cavaliers are in the middle of a difficult stretch of their schedule. They play the Atlanta Hawks on Friday night. And after that, the Phoenix Suns, then the Dallas Mavericks, and then the San Antonio Spurs. If the Cavaliers continue to play this way, they may own second place in the Eastern Conference outright by the end of next week.